Hey everybody, it's me RJ. Another pointless video. Whoop. Don't want to get banned. Alright, so here's what we're doing. Redmax BCZ260TS 260. I don't know, I'm having trouble saying it. Okay? Here's the problem, it happens over time. I knew it. What's funny is I know I needed the bump head. I didn't replace it. Where's that at? Is it here or is it?
I put it in the trash.
Would you threw it away?
Yeah.
Alright, well I wanted to show them.
It's in recycling.
Is it on top?
Yeah.
Pause it. Alright everybody, so don't be lazy. Especially with the Redmax, this ain't like a steel that burns up every month. Redmax hold up because of that metal thing. So as it started getting there, I was like, oh, I need to do it. Last yard of the day on Monday, and I was like, I need to change that out. But I don't have the cup, and I had a bump head. I had been putting it off, waiting time, blah, blah. Use as long as it could. The problem with that is, you start bumping less. So, if you look, see the shortness? What's that, a ½ inches?
Yeah, maybe.
½ inch, okay? So you start seeing these. What happens is, when the bump's on, you start getting this problem. Where it's like getting closer. And zoom. So, didn't even know it. You can't see this thing until you're getting ready to go. So I got halfway through the yard, bumped the thing. There we go, okay? So now I'm having to buy these. So, $18 at the dealer. Uh-oh. This doesn't come with them. Do I have to take them out, the other one? Oh, that sucks. At least they come out easy. We're good, we're good. Easy fix. Easy fix. Guess what? Don't throw us away. Even at the dealer. I'm worried this isn't the real. Sometimes the dealers sell the aftermarkets and the aftermarkets don't hold up. I'm hoping this is the real one. They do sell the aftermarket blades at full price. Okay, it has PA6 in the eating the bigger thing. See it? Symbol? Yeah, it's got it both sides. Actually, just 2 arrows pointing in for PA6. So I think it might be the right one. And it's just over time it reshaped. If you look, mine's worn down. You see it kind of going away. That one doesn't. Sorry, y'all. Coronavirus. All right, so that's how you'll know. When you start running around like that, you're losing it. But, I mean, you bump it. I mean, how long we had this? This one's one of our longest lasting trimmers. 3 years at least?
Yeah.
At least 3 years. Never replaced this. Only replaced this one other time, I think.
The bump head?
Yeah, if ever.
Yeah, I don't think you ever have.
I may have, okay?
Maybe.
So that's what we got. You get a new one. This was 18, right? And this was 14?
14, or vice versa.
18 and 14, either way. I was gonna buy the one, there's one on Amazon that says OEM, but then when I read it, people were like, this ain't the OEM, so I didn't want to take a chance. It was the same price, pretty much, to buy. It was like $38 for the whole, these and this. So you get this, but I don't ever need that. This is attached, you're good. This doesn't get damaged, ever, on any trimmer. Your trimmer's gonna blow up before these go bad, unless you destroy your stuff, all right? So, that's it. You just get the new guy. You get the new one, you pull the parts out, clip, 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 all right? So that's it, quick repair. If I can find a good link for them, I'll share it. Maybe on eBay I'll find one, I'll share that then. If you buy it and I share a link on eBay, I don't get any money. So, I don't get 10 cents, a nickel, nothing. So, like and subscribe. Help me, help you, help me. That's it. I'm going to do another video real quick on wrapping the string. I would do it in this one, but I need as many views as I can. So I can skirt, dirt. All right. So, I already said please like, subscribe. Anything else? No? As always, I'm RJ. See you today, each and every day. Bye-bye.